Can you really make good money from home with just a heat press machine for t-shirts? Well, on this video, we're gonna answer a lot of those questions. So if you're looking for a side hustle for extra money or for full-time, this video is perfect for you.
Hey, what's up guys? So today we're gonna make some t-shirts, and of course, yes, you guessed it, we're gonna make it with DTF transfers. And here's the shirts we're gonna do today. There are many colors, and honestly we have never worked with this company before. This is the very first time, and they ordered the good quality t-shirts, the A4. I'm gonna leave the link below if you guys like to get your shirts. These are really good quality and they're affordable. What I like about all day shirts is they always send you something, coupons or discounts for your next purchase. I will leave the link below. We appreciate if you get your shirts, your blanks below on that link. We will get a small commission. Thank you. I'm waiting for the heat press to be ready. It's almost ready. We're gonna do it at 310 degrees Fahrenheit. And I got my transfers here ready. I put something heavy on top because they roll and they're not like the HTV. It doesn't have the sticky transfers. So that's the only thing I don't like about DTF transfers. But anyway, we're gonna start working with these shirts, and we got different ones here. These are like the common shirts we always work on, like 50 and 50. Cotton and polyester, and also a hoodie. It is summer, but they wanted a hoodie for some reason, but that's okay. More money for us. But before we do it, I'm gonna break down how much we're gonna make from this order, because we always show you the process, but we rarely show you how much we make from outsourcing, because a lot of people ask, do you guys make money from outsourcing? Yes, you do make money. We do not have a DTF transfer, and I don't know if we ever get one, but for what I've seen on the reviews, it's really difficult to keep one, the maintenance and all that. Plus decals is our main thing that where we make money from. So I think we just still good with just outsourcing. This company that we use, Pro World, it's a really good company. I recommend you guys check it out. They even send you free samples. That's how we learn from them. And we tried their transfers and we're really happy with the results.
So let's get right down to how much we make from this project. So this is the company Pro World, and this is the order of the transfers, the DTF transfers that I ordered, and I paid 99.99 cents for this order, including the tax and the shipping. And keep in mind, these are all the transfers that I use for this project that you are watching here. And those transfers will cover all the t-shirts that I order on All Day Shirts. And this is the company and all the shirts that I order. These are the 50 and 50 poly and cotton. And these are the good quality t-shirts that I order, which is the A4, and these are a little more expensive, but I charge $20 for the short sleeve and $25 for the long sleeve of the good quality, and I pay $229 with 22 cents for all the shirts, including the regular t-shirts, poly and cotton. And I'm gonna use the calculator to add this bill plus the 99.99 of the transfers, and that is 329 with 21 cents of my investment. And their bill was around $625 for the entire project. So if I deduct that investment with the $625, I made almost $300 of profit by just applying the transfer on the t-shirts using a heat press machine like the one you are watching here. So yes, you can definitely make good money from home with this side hustle. And also keep in mind, I did not have to weed out like I do with HTV with my vinyl cutter. I did not have to buy a software to vectorize my logo, cut it. All of that extra work that I have to do with the vinyl cutter. This is just ordering online with a heat press.
All right, now I'm gonna do the hoodie. I have the front already done, and this is the one for the back. And I'm gonna do approximately 3 inches to 5 inches. So I'm just gonna do this here in the back. It's strange that this company did not wanted any phone number or any other information like the usual information the customer requests, but I mean that's good for us, because usually the back design covers around 12 inches or 11 inches, And that's good for us because we can fit many of the bigger logos for the back. Actually, that's gonna be better for us. All right, like I mentioned, I'm gonna do around 6 inches from the collar to where the logo is. And this is a medium size. So depending on the size, that's how much I do. And it's already well centered. It looks great. So now I'm gonna press. And guys, if you do DTF or if you never done it, they do not have, as I mentioned, the sticky transfer like the HTV does. So I recommend that you guys get your Teflon tape. I'm gonna leave some links below. This will help you stick the transfer into the garment. And now I notice that when I peel off, this thing will come off. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. This might be a cold peel, even though it says it can be peeled right away, but I'm gonna cool it for a little bit. And this is what I do. I usually fold half and just cool it down like this. So now I can try. Maybe I can try now. And yes, it is a cold peel. And look at that. Looks nice. So you know, I changed my mind. I'm gonna go ahead and use some tape because the front logo, I want to get a better look before I place it on the garment. So I'm gonna be 100% sure. So this is what I mean. This will help you stick the logo on the garment. And good thing I did it because I'm not really comfortable with this position. So I'm just gonna lift it up a little bit and move it up a little. That looks much better. Now let's do the full cycle. I already pre-pressed the garment. I didn't show that part, but we usually do like 3 seconds, and that helps get rid of all the wrinkles and the moisture. And we're gonna do the 15 seconds. And now, like I said, we're gonna wait, cool it down a little bit because this is a cold peel. It is not a hot peel like it said on the instructions. I might be mistaken. Maybe I read it wrong. Maybe it says cool peel, but we're gonna cool it down a little bit, and that should be enough. All right, now let's try. The good thing about that, it cooled down like really fast. You saw me, only a few seconds it took, so that looks great. All right guys, now we're gonna do one of the cool material shirt A4 again, and I'm gonna pre-press it for a few seconds. We're gonna start with the small logo, of course, for the front, and this one is an XL or extra large size, so I do around 8 inches from the shoulder to the center of the logo. And then we're gonna place the little tape, the Teflon tape that I show you guys, and I can place this before we take a look how it looks like, and I think it looks good. All right, now let's do the full press. The full time. I'm sorry, I cannot speak today. All right, and it's ready. Let's remove the tape. We're gonna cool it for a few seconds. Man, back in the days, we wouldn't be able to do this multicolor design, mainly because we don't have a DTF machine. But if we were for some reason be able to make it with the vinyl cutter, it will take forever because there's a lot of colors. All right, now I think this one's ready, and I can't wait to see the combination on this one. This one is a teal color, like a green and blue combination. It's a really beautiful color. So I think the logo is gonna look nice, but of course after we remove the transfer. So first let's cool it down, and now let's check it out. Yeah, just like I thought. Looks really nice. What helps is the little white outline. Look at this. All right guys, this is it for this video. Hopefully you guys gathered some new information about starting a DTF t-shirt business with just transfers, outsource, and a heat press. And if you guys like this video, of course we appreciate it if you hype this video. This will help us spread the word for people that want to start a business from home. Also remember, we're gonna leave some links below, so if you want to get your blanks, all your t-shirts, we recommend All Day Shirts, and I will leave the link on the first comment on this video. Thank you guys so much, and as always, we'll see you again pretty soon.